So with that said, think about what you do and what you might try today. Nothing needs to be done, but we sit together in the sacred silence, in this peace, in this space. So I invite you to take a deep breath and inhale, and then exhale. Let your shoulders go down, let your body feel itself on the earth. We're spinning on a big blue and green marble. And just your feet hang on to the earth. The rest of us is flying into space. So we become aware of how incredible life is in this moment. I invite you to connect with the God of your understanding and know that there needs no connection at all, for there is truly only oneness and unity in consciousness. It's from here that we enter the silence together. Inhaling and exhaling, bringing our full attention to this moment. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Gently bowing to seal the practice, namaste.